blackworm culture is blowing up. That's the K1 that was in some of my filters that I cleaned out recently, and I just threw them in there because I didn't know what to do with them right away. But look at that. This is one of those fry trays. So, sponge filter. Not sponge filter, so. Airlift. Let's see what I'm saying here. Man, these are a pain to get off here. Come on, there we go. So, a little bit of a water flow, not super fast. That little slime is in here or something. I don't know. I'll have to look at that later. But anyways, yeah, so you guys want to do the blackworms, super easy way to do it is this little fry tray and any type of slow water flow. You can have your blackworms, and these are the little ceramic media that you put in your filters. I just like them because they're white and it's easy to see the blackworms in there. Yep. Good times.